Let's say I want to apply on this job, which is a Python developer job, but my resume is not tailored to it. So how long do you think it's gonna take? First, read the job description and look for what they're looking for, then tailor the resume according to it. What if I tell you I can generate the tailored resume in just minute of clicks, just few clicks and few seconds? Don't believe me? I'll show you. So I have came up with the idea using the large language models for this stuff for writing the resume. Who could write better the resume for ATS? So what you have to do, just paste the job description in this file, and we need to put this the role and the company name in the top. It's not necessary because like over here in the job description as well, sometimes it is written and the position as well is written. But it's good how much context you want to give to your large language model. Now, in order to generate the resume, you just gotta say python main.py, and that's it. Now your resume, tailored according to the job description you have put in, will be generated. So it's going to appear over here. Alright, so you can see that the resume and the cover letter is generated, and here is the resume. So you wanna pause and have a look on the resume. So you see it is related to Python, and whatever is being asked, it could have added the technical skills in here. Luckily, I know almost all of them, whatever listed here. That's my past employment. Of course, you need to provide it prior, and it as well updates your role according to the description you're going to provide. There are the projects and achievements. Of course, it's gonna not gonna touch that, but you get the idea. It has written the cover letter. You can pause again and read it out. You see, it has wrote the newer one according to the Python developer, and this is really cool. You see, it has also listed the company in the cover letter. Let's try generating for some different role. Let's say I'm interested in the backend developer, so I'm just gonna copy, let's say up to here, paste it here, and just gonna copy the role and the company name there. Now I just have to put main.py, and just to prove, I'm gonna delete it. It's gonna generate the newer one. Alright, resume is generated. Till the cover letter being generated, we're going to have a look on the resume. Okay, so you can see the experienced backend developer and is this technical skills, and here is my technical, and here the role updated according to it, and now we have our cover letter, and the cover letter is being updated to the backend developer, and I am hopeful that it is updated according to it. Just give it a quick read. Most of the times I did, it is almost perfect. And you could change the prompt as well. Just to give you a quick look, the prompts I have generated are these prompts, but of course they need some updation. Anyways, so I think you got the idea. We are using large language model for generating our resume and cover letter. How cool is that? All right, so I'll end the video. It was just to show you what I'm currently working on. The code for the video will soon be published on GitHub. If you keep on checking the video description, and if you need the code uh, bit earlier, just comment. I'll try my best because I need to change some things and I need to write a proper README to tell you how to work with it. It requires a little bit used to thing, not much, but anyways, so this is it for this video. I'll catch up with you in some other video or some other project. So till then, goodbye, keep coding and keep applying after code is published.